Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have the Speck Impact Hero Slim case here for the Google Pixel 9 and 9 Pro. This one cost me around 19 bucks at Best Buy. I'll link some different links down below. If I happen to come across it on Amazon, I'll be sure to do that as well. But I've always been a big fan of Speck cases. So we'll talk about this, get it out, install it, and all that fun stuff. But let's look at the actual packaging first that it comes in. So this is what you get when you go to the store or whatever, right? You can see it, you can touch it, feel it, take it out, all that. Nice bright blue box and made for Google Pixel, which means that obviously they've kind of worked with Google on this fitment and all that. It does meet military standard drop protection. It is wirelessly charging compatible, as it says, and a bunch of other stuff and lifetime warranty, yada yada yada. So let's get this out. So pretty easy to unbox it. I'll put that there, put that to the side, and here is the phone case. So looking at the interior first, we got some Speck branding there. We got the whole kind of nice interior there. That's just that rugged goodness to help with drop protection. That's one thing I've always really been a fan of with Speck cases. Designed for impact, as it says there, and pretty much it. This interior is a little bit different material than this outside one, but let's go ahead and get the phone and install it real quick. Do the button side first, kind of pop in, boom boom boom, and there we go. And there is the phone case installed. So very simple, classic look in my opinion. It is kind of a soft touch material. So obviously the whole thing's like a TPU material, but it is a soft, more smoother touch on the back here. Does have that Speck branding there, as you can see. So very simple. Yeah, very just clean looking case. Now, the way that they did their design here is a little bit different, as you can see. It's more of you know, like a little lip that does go around, so it doesn't go up smoothly or anything. It's just a very 90-degree edge as well here, but just a lot smaller than the phone normally. So yeah, I could see some little speck of dust and stuff like that. See what I did? Speck of dust. But I could see some of that getting on those little edges. So obviously you're gonna maybe need to, you know, get a little cleaning tool or your shirt or something to be able to clean it out. But it does look very nice as well with this big visor here. So, you know, what do you think? I think it looks pretty good. A little bit of a different design here as well, just a little line. And then if we look here on the sides, we do have a raised volume up and down and power button, which is a little bit different looking, nothing too crazy. And then if we go to the bottom here, you're gonna see that we do have some reinforced corners. So all the corners have this little raised ridge right here, kind of, you know, little thing on the corner, a little bumper. And then we do have a nice square cutout, or rectangle cutout I should say, for the USB-C charging port. Little hole punch there for the mic, and then one for the speaker there. And then if we go to this side, it's just kind of the same situation, no buttons or anything, so a very nice smooth side. And then if we look at the top down, you're going to see the hole punch there, but you'll also see that, you know, how that design is for the cutout as well. So next, let's go ahead and look at the raised lips that go around the screen. And as you can see, we do get some raised lips. So definitely going to give us some face down protection if we drop it or something like that. Now, wobble test, face down, no shaking going on at all, and back down, no shaking going on as well. So 2 thumbs up, passes the wobble test. So next, clicky button test. So power button, very tactile. So hear that right there. And volume up and down, very tactile as well. So definitely passes the clicky button test with ease. And then now let's go ahead and do the wireless charging test. And as you can see, it is fast charging and also wirelessly charging. So it's not going to have any interference with, you know, Qi wireless charging or anything. One thing that is unfortunate is there aren't any built-in magnets. So if you have the ecosystem of MagSafe magnets, then unfortunately this does not have it. But I get it. It's fine. It's an Android phone, so I'm not going to really knock it that much for that. But it can do Google Pay and all that as well. I literally paid for lunch today using this phone, and this case was on it, and it worked just fine. So, but yeah, for 19 bucks, you know, Speck makes some great cases. I'm sure at some point they were going to send this probably along with some other cases for the Pixel 9, but I just happened to see it there at Best Buy, and I needed to start getting some case reviews pumped out. So I definitely wanted to make sure to, you know, at least get some of these out. So be sure to check out my other video of the Bellroy case that I did up here. But yeah, not too bad. Fingerprint issues really haven't been an issue. Really the only thing is smudging. We had pizza, and yeah, my fingers were a little greasy, and I had to kind of clean it up a little bit. But for the most part, it does pretty fine with smudges. Nothing that a quick wipe down with your t-shirt can't fix. So there you have it, guys. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.